We set up this growing shelf at our factory to test our indoor growing technology. Actually, we just want to test our substrate and LED grow light. So we install our LED grow lights on each layer of the shelf. 1 month later, you can see our Chinese cabbage grow very well. The radish grow very tall. And we are going to get the radish fruit very soon. These are dwarf tomato, and they are also not bad. Another one is the 7-color chili. We also grow lettuce. These 2 cabbage we separate from the big container. We also grow rosemary and taro on our shelf, and they all grow very rapidly. This is the mint we get from our friend. And we also grow apple tree in our container. Look, this one is the pineapple from Taiwan. We bought these 2 trees and blueberry from Taobao. You can see they also grow very well. These 2 are tulip flowers. We grow them from the bulbs. These baby plants are passion fruit, and we have many passion fruit plants at our factory. We are not good at growing, but all the plants grow very well. All these contribute to our LED grow light and our good performance substrate. Try it by yourself. You'll get some fun.